Hello and welcome to the Williamhousenft NFT podcast, episode 3. Today we're going to talk about NFTs with a website. Now, when you start your own NFT project, you're going to want to have a website because most people are stuck in the Web 2 space and not the Web 3 space. Now, the difference between Web 2 and Web 3 is Web 2 is the internet, is searching stuff on Google. Web 3 is the metaverse, NFTs, and cryptocurrency. So when we go through making your own NFT project, obviously we have the 6 steps, which I've outlined in previous videos and podcasts, which are number 1, planning your NFT project. Number 2 is making the art. Number 3 is the roadmap. Number 4 is utility. Number 5 is your social media strategy. And number 6 is your promotion. When you're creating a website for your NFT project, you're going to want to follow that structure, but on a website. So you'll have your home page, and then you're going to want to have your planning page, your art page, your roadmap, your utility page, your social media page, and your sort of promotion page. Maybe not so much a promotion, but something promoting your NFT project. So let's just talk you through how you would set up your own website. Just while you're keeping this in mind, I do create websites for crypto and NFT projects. So if you don't have the time to do this yourself, I can help you. Now, first of all is the homepage. On your homepage, you're going to want to simply have something saying, what your project does, what's your purpose, who you are, etc. Now, the purpose of a homepage is just so the person can scroll through quickly, have a look at your NFT project, and maybe have a brief line or two about each step of your project and what makes it special. So if I was to create my own homepage for my NFT project, I'd simply have Williamhousenft's NFT project. Then I would have my plan. I'd say, I'm planning to address these goals, and I plan to release 4,444 NFTs and mint them all on the 28th of January. Now, of course, that plan might change, but at least it outlines to them a little bit about our project. Then definitely I'd have some art, just a few pictures of what the art's going to be like, because, although art isn't super important anymore as much as it was in 2021, you still need art in your project, and people want to know what they're going to buy. So I'd have maybe 5 or 6 pictures of the different types of NFTs that they might be able to buy. When we talk about a roadmap, you need a little bit of a plan. So on the homepage, I do a little bit of a roadmap, maybe 2 or 3 steps that you've already hit, so you can show you've got some credibility. After that, have utility, which is the extra benefits they're going to get from buying your NFT. So in my case, it would be a one-on-one consult with me, get into my coaching program, maybe a membership to my events. And then after that, we'd do social media. So list all the social medias you're on, so Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, etc., YouTube. So this is just so if they want to know more information about you and verify that you're a real project, because in today's age, not many people like NFTs, they're going to you want to prove to them that you're real. So social media, and then maybe promotion. Maybe you can say we are currently promoting ourselves on the NFT calendar and William House's NFT calendar. So they sort of see you are trying to hit all the steps. Now, obviously, they're not going to know this process. They're not going to know your plan, your art, your utility, roadmap, your social media, and your promotion. They're not going to know that's the blueprint you're following, but you're going to want to give them a bit of information on each. From there, you want to make your own page for each. So you want to make a planning page where you outline all the goals you're going to hit. And for your plan, maybe you release the art, the amount, something like that. So I've got a planning checklist. I'll attach it to this video and podcast. You just fill in your planning sheet and then basically just include what you want on your website under the planning section, just to show your audience what you want to achieve. Then after that, you're going to want to do art. You want a whole art page saying what inspired you about your art. Why did you create this? What does it truly reflect, and what are the different rarities? Because as maybe you know, maybe you don't know, art comes into NFTs because it can create rarity. So, for example, if I create 4,000 William House NFT pieces of art, maybe they're all tickets, but maybe 5 of them are purple tickets and 15 of them are gold and the rest are bronze. So if you have a purple or a gold ticket, then you're going to get some special rewards, maybe more exclusive time with me where I can help you. So art plays into the rarity. Then after that, you're going to hit a roadmap. This is what I want you to do. Most important is your roadmap. You're going to have to set out 10 to 20 goals you want to hit and date them all in chronological order. Then with that order, you're going to want to make sure you hit by certain dates. You've hit this, you say, tick, I've done that, tick, I've done that, tick, I've done that, until you've done maybe 10 or 15, maybe 3 or 4, whatever. And then what that makes you able to say is that you actually hit goals. And then what you want to do next is utility. Now, utility is really important because it's the extra benefits. So you're going to want to outline what extra benefits you are providing as an NFT project. So utility, people don't understand utility either. So you want to have a definition at the start. And that's what I recommend for each page. Have a definition, make it easy to understand. You got to remember, we talking from an NFT creator's perspective, who's creating NFTs and knows what they are, we are pretty rare. So we need to be able to take our understanding and our vocabulary, which is up here, and write it in simple terms. And that's the sort of help that I do when I create websites for NFT projects. And that's what you want to focus on. So make sure we have this lovely understanding of the metaverse, NFTs, the blockchain. Just tone it down a little bit for them. Next is social media. Simply lay out your social media. Lay out what you're on and if they can follow you. Then promotion, just a quick little saying you're on this NFT calendar and this is why we're on this NFT calendar. Now, again, if you want any help on this, williamhousenft.com/home, and that will have my services. Please DM me, message me, communicate with me. I love hearing any of your thoughts, and also review the podcast if you've enjoyed this episode. Also on YouTube, so let's go NFTs.